What's up guys, Tim Foten with John Sinclair Nissan, and in this video I'm going to show you this 2019 Chevy Silverado. We just got this one in over the weekend, so it hasn't gone through detail or the shop yet, but this is a 2019 Chevy Silverado LT crew cab with the 5.3 liter 8-speed automatic transmission. It's got the advanced trailering package. Tires look pretty good. This is also an all-star edition, so it's going to give it the dual zone climate control, power driver's seat, heated seats, 4-wheel drive, the trailer brake controller built in, heated steering wheel, cruise control, all your voice commands, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, high definition rear view camera, guidance. A couple other things, we have convenience package 2, gives it the 120 volt power outlet, 8-inch HD screen. It's got the all-weather floor liners, which need to be cleaned. 6-passenger power sliding rear window for the back. If you guys have any questions on this one, please feel free to reach out, leave a comment, or you can shoot us an email. Thanks.